So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to log out of your Discord account on your phone. You can do this on both iOS and Android, of course, and it's really easy. So let's get started right away. So what you want to do is just open up Discord, and right here I'm in a server, but you just want to click on the bottom right corner on your profile picture. And once you're here, you're basically in your settings, and all you need to do is scroll all the way down till you see log out. And you just want to click on log out, and boom, there you go. You are logged out of your account. So yeah, if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.